Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Before I share with you a video of the painting process of my current work, the subject of which is from darkness to light, I think this is a good opportunity to address a problem that exists in many paintings, especially among beginners when it comes to realistic painting. The fear of creating different types of blacks and dark colors that don't come ready-made in tubes from art stores. I want to give you some important tips that will help you create a wide variety of black colors that will help your paintings look richer and more professional. Tip number 1. Do not use black paint straight from the manufacturer. Using black paint straight from the tube limits your ability to control the desired shade for a specific area in the painting. Tip number 2. Mix the dark colors during the painting and not before. This way you can create different shades of black, and this will prevent you from limiting the spectrum of your darks. Final tip. Try to create your darks by mixing ultramarine blue with burnt umber or red with green. Then you can manipulate your mixture to make it warmer or cooler. If you mix your own darks, I promise you that your paintings will grab more attention and will look more beautiful than ever before. Enjoy watching. thank you so much for watching. See you next time.